That was just very tedious. So now I'm on to doing this. That is really, I've never figured it out on my own. A lot of this stuff is like you click it 2 different times just to get it to do it. On the drivers. Like it's just a pain in the butt. Really pain. So the graphics one, like you click it, you browse it, you find it, you go to install it, and then it like makes you look for it again. It's kind of hard to explain. But right now, we can see the graphics have improved from the last time. So we'll see if this game will install. We've got this one, and then we've got the Exile one. Alright. Before, the mouse was like super glitchy too. One thing I noticed, like these computers, they run actually fast. Like, alright, let's see if it works. Oh, be damned. Yeah. That's cool. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna let her deal with it. Catch you guys later.